Hi Ka-Wanderers! Welcome back to our channel! For today's vlog, we're going to make chicken buffalo recipe. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. First, we marinate the chicken with cornstarch, peas and pepper for 5 to 15 minutes. After we marinate it, we're going to make our coating for the chicken. Mix all-purpose flour with garlic, then Spanish paprika, then coat your chicken with it, and then fry the chicken. After frying, we will make our buffalo sauce in a low-medium heat. Place the butter in the pan. When it's already melted, place the hot sauce. Ketchup, cornstarch, chili powder, Spanish paprika, sugar, and then vinegar. Mix it well. Then place the fried chicken and mix it well. It's done! Our own version of chicken buffalo recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.